Okay, within YouTube, go over to your avatar on the upper right, click on it, go down to Settings, click on Add or Manage your channels, go up to the channel that you want to delete, and then once you've got the channel that you want to delete, go to click on View Advanced Settings, go all the way down to the bottom, click on Delete Channel. It's going to ask you to verify that it's you. Go ahead and log in with your password. And you can choose to either hide your content or you can delete it permanently. I'm going to go ahead and delete it permanently because I don't need this channel anymore. Confirm that you want to delete your content. And you do that by typing in your channel's name, and click on delete. And there you go. Your channel has been deleted.